So today we're looking at the Dell Latitude E5450 and we're going to remove the memory and show you how to upgrade it. Let's close it, the lid. Flip it over. So we've got a few screws we need to remove. There we go. So let's start taking them off. And the screwdriver just fell apart. And another one there. Let's take that screw out. There we go. Another one done. And then the final screw. Remember, when you're accessing the electrical components of a laptop, you need to wear an anti-static wrist guard, or you need to dissipate the anti-static within your body before you actually touch the component. Okay, so that's moving on. So what we're going to do now is prise the case open. I don't know if you can see. It's like a little indent there. So get a Phillips flathead, pop it in there and just prise it open slightly. Just be careful you don't break the actual plastic. And what you need to do then is get your fingers in. So get your fingers inside, slowly working your way around, and then just pop the case off. So as you can see, there's two memory modules here and here. So 4 gig stick and another 4 gig stick. And there's two little latches on the side, so all you've got to do is just move them outwards, each latch, and then the memory module will pop up. Just remove that. And then the same goes for that memory module. Then you can upgrade your RAM there. So let's put the memory module back in. You need to pop it in on an angle. Make sure you're lining up the little groove. Just pop it in an angle like that, and then just press down. And as you can see, the two little clips are engaged. There we go. And that's how you get access to the memory. And just pop the case back on. And then just press down, and it'll clip back into place. And there we go. I can put the rest of the screws in later, and then just power it up.